Hi there. Heard you're currently editing your research project or your thesis. Whichever, you came here to know how to add different page number formats in one document. Maybe the Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, and then the numbers 1, 2, and so on. I'm here to guide you on how to add different page numbers in one document. Welcome to Tech K, your daily guide to tech, okay? Let's start, but before that, hitting the subscribe button is highly appreciated. First, open your file, go to the page where you want to add page number. Don't forget to click the page to activate. Look for the Insert tab and hit Page Number. Select where to add page number. In this example, we will use bottom of the page. See the page number added? Right-click to change the format and change to Roman numeral. Scroll through the document until you arrive at the page where you want to add different page number format. Click on Layout Page and click Size, Page Setup, and hit the Layout tab. On the drop down, choose New Page. On the bottom part, click Whole Document. Click OK. Notice the following text on the lower part of the page. If you saw Section 2, then you are good to go. Right-click on the page number and choose Page Format Number. From there, select the number format you want and make sure to change the start at part. There you have it. Easy and smooth. If this video helped you, click on the like video, comment down for the next tutorials, and do not forget to click the subscribe. Thank you.